channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would be glad to have you here. And for the current subscribers, welcome back. Please leave me a like and a comment. That would help me out tremendously. Today we are making a vegetable beef soup. I am in the state of Wisconsin, so it's like in the 30s, which I have been waiting for the fall season to come through, and so she has arrived. Okay, so we're about to get started. So this is going to be some beef vegetable soup. I've already cut up some onions. I have some onion here, some diced potatoes. I have some frozen mixed vegetables. So I have like 2 of these that I'm going to use. And the potatoes are right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn on my eye. Hopefully everyone is enjoying their Sunday. This video will be posted tomorrow, which will be Monday. Just a second. So yes, someone is vacuuming downstairs, I guess. So forgive me for the noise, because they are being pretty loud, This is like some ground chuck that was on sale. So this is probably about 2 pounds of meat, I'm assuming. So I'm going to let this brown up, and then I will go ahead and, well, while this is doing this, I'll go ahead and add some onion. I'm going to let this brown up, and then once it's all the way brown, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I am back. The meat is all brown. Y'all are about to be amazed. I don't know if you've ever seen it done before, but I am tired of draining grease down my sink. I seen somebody else soak up grease with paper towels, so that's what I'm about to do. What is going on? So let me try to turn this off for a second. So I'm gonna try to soak up a lot of this excess grease. With this paper towel. Ooh, hot baby, hot baby. And then after I soak up this grease with this paper towel, I'll be back. Okay, I am back. So, I got a lot of I soaked up a lot of the oil. So that's a trick I saw somebody do, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try that because I was so tired of stopping up my drain. I'm just gonna put some beef bouillon in here. And this is some Worcestershire seasoning. I thought you was about to say something else, but so you know what? I'm gonna put some of this in here too. Obviously some garlic powder. Let me get some minced garlic out my refrigerator. Now this, I'll put the main ingredients, but I'm not, as you can see, when I put seasonings in, I do not measure seasonings. So, you might want to add seasonings, you know, as you like. But, I add, you know, seasonings because I like my food well seasoned. So I'm going to add some black pepper. So I'm gonna mix this up. Now I have to open up these diced tomatoes and all these veggies. Also, if you're in the South, you are probably already know about this Everglade seasoning. I absolutely love. But let me open up these cans and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I'm about to put everything together. These are the Reynolds slow cooker liners that I absolutely love. So I'm about to line my pan with this. Before I start dumping all this stuff in this slow cooker. Now this is a 6-quart pot. What I'm going to put in here first is probably this meat that I just cooked. Now this pot is probably going to be almost full. I'm sure of it because I also diced up some potatoes. Now the onions I had already cut up and put it in there. So I'm gonna wash that out in just a second. I have 3 cans of diced tomatoes. I like to kind of like try to straighten up as I go because ooh, child, it can make a mess. Okay. Okay. Now, this is probably 20 ounces, so it's what, about a pound and 4 ounces of mixed vegetables. But once you add the potatoes, it's gonna be like over 2 pounds of vegetables. So that is peas, carrot, green beans, and corn. You could steam these, but I'm not gonna steam them because they're going in the slow cooker, so it's okay. So now I'm gonna add some tomato paste and then dilute it with some water. I'm sure I'll okay. I also have some tomato bouillon that I'll probably just add. Just for some added flavor. So now I'm just gonna put this back in the slow cooker, and I'm gonna let it cook probably for like 5 or 6 hours, and then I'll come and check on it. And then I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I know it's the next morning. I was so exhausted yesterday after everything. So, but I'm back. So I'm gonna just show you the after results. Let's see. Hopefully I don't make a mess on the stove, but let's see if I can get some juice. and have a taste. Gracious Father, thank you for this powder, seed, for the nourishment and health of my body. Bless me, ask in Christ's name. Amen, amen, amen. I can taste the garlic. So there you have it. I definitely, hopefully you all like this video. Please leave me a like, a comment, share the video if you like. And as always, until the next time, talk to you later. Bye, y'all.